Good evening, friends. Today we are discuss about horticulture. Which variety is deciduous in nature? Bear. Which variety of mango is monoembryonic? Rataul. The commercial seed production of which variety of cauliflower is not possible in plains? Pusa snowball. 1. Total vegetable production in India is second to China. Which potato variety is resistant to late blight? Kufri Badshah. Cyanera scolymus is grown for its edible roots. Highest quantity of carotene is available from colocasia leaves. Jackfruit is anemophilous. Total food grain production during 2020 to 2021 296.7 metric ton. Most commonly used training system in grapes. Boer. Maximum guava producing states: Uttar Pradesh. Juice concentration in fruit jelly is 25%. Sugar concentration in jam is above 60% या 68. Fire hazardous fertilizer is ammonium nitrate. River which is maximum are under irrigation: Ganga. Which is non-polyphagous ladybird beetle? TCA cycle is occurred in C4 plants. Flower inducing hormone in cucurbits is GA3. Which fruits crop require tropical climate? Banana. Which is dioecious fruit crop? Date palm. Which country most intensive farming in prevalent? Japan. Which produce maximum quantity of oil? Sesame 52% oil. Which fruit contains maximum fat content? Walnut 64%. Protein content in groundnut 25 to 26%. Which beverage substance is present in tea? Caffeine. Tikka is a major disease of groundnut. The fastest method of lawn making is turfing. The best quality tea in India is grown at Darjeeling, West Bengal. Umran is variety of bear. Which is a foliage plant? Acacia coqui. In India, leading cardamom growing state Kerala. Tissue culture is followed in banana. The browning in apple is due to polyphenol oxalates enzyme. Photosynthesis occurs in chloroplast. Which fruit is suitable for arid zone? Bear. Oxalates are present in leafy vegetables. The fruits and vegetables are known as protective food. Part of tea plant harvested is bud and young leaves, 2 leaves and 1 buds. Center of origin of cocoa is Asia. Which is the major flower grown in India? Jasmine. Natural rubber mostly used in tire industry. Sugar used as a preservative have concentration of 70%. Fruits rich source of vitamin A. Mango 48 IU. Blue color in rose is incorporated by gene transfer. Pusa delicious is a variety of papaya variety is a gynodioecious. Q is a canning variety of pineapple. Which crop does not belongs to the cole group? Turnip. Rains during ripening of grape caused by berry cracking. There are no commercial hybrids in peach. Contender is a variety of bush bean. Nectarine is a fuzziness mutant of peach. Seed production early cauliflower in plains. Gladiolus is very sensitive to nitrogen. First red kind is generally referred to rose. Watermelon is propagated through seeds. Highest sodium content beet spinach. Please